Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2016 Chrysler Town & Country. And this, like most of our vehicles, is a mobility accessible van. It's got the touch of a key fob here. You can see I can open all the sliding doors and the rear hatch over there. The ramp folds out, power ramp. But not only is this a power ramp and door, it's got some great features inside. The ramp is 30 inches wide. As I come inside the van, it's got an easy lock, and what that is you can roll your chair right up into there. It snaps right into there. You have to have if you don't have a point at the bottom of your chair, you have to get one installed, but you can snap your chair in there. That way you don't have to tie it down. It's got one of these 6-way power swivel seats. Very cool. This will slide back. It's all power. So what you can do, this is made for someone in a wheelchair to be able to enter the van, lock their wheelchair down, transfer over to the driver's seat, and drive. So you could leave it like this. You come in, snap your chair down there, load over to the driver's seat. I'll actually just get in it myself. It swings me back facing the steering wheel here. I come forward, and this will even go up and down. They go higher and lower if you're a taller person and you want it lower. If you're a shorter person and you want it taller. Got our easy lock control down here. If you know about those, you know what that's for. If not, we can teach you about what that is. So overall, great setup. It's not just a power ramp and door. It's got this add-on in there. This easy lock and this swivel seat alone, they'd probably be about $10,000 to get installed. So this is not just the power ramp and door. It's $10,000 of goodies that allow you to be independent and get in the van and drive whenever you want. The back seats, it's all leather as well. Very clean. Looks like they've hardly ever been sat in. It's got this carbon fiber floor. It's got the tie down points. If you need to tie a chair down, you're transporting somebody, you can. It's got a removable front seat there as well, so you could actually get a wheelchair back here. You could also put an occupied one up there. You could have a passenger sit up there. The dash is in wonderful condition. This van is it's not brand new, but it's darn near brand new condition. It's got the steering wheel controls to help you keep your eyes on the road if you're changing the radio. It's got the backup camera. It's got the dual climate control. Got all the power outlets down there. Has cup holders over here. Cup holders over in the driver's side. Cup holder on the passenger side. So plenty of cup holders. And you can also operate the if you want to shut the ramp from inside the van. And all the hatches, everything works. You can shut them once you're inside the van, or you can use the key if you want to. All the doors have the little right there as well. So it's safe to say this van is fully loaded. Now I'm going to do a walk around of the vehicle. It's extremely clean. We just put brand new tires on this. These are brand new Cooper tires. We didn't skimp on the price. We got a nice name brand tire. It's got the alloy wheels. Paint on this van is super clean. It's got the tinted windows, keep you nice and cool in the summertime and give you privacy year-round. I see one little touch-up spot back there. Looks like they put a little touch-up paint there. When they detail these, if there's little scratches, we do touch them up. Certainly no major dents or dings in this van. Like I said, 4 brand new tires. These tires don't even have 20 miles on them. I mean brand new. It's hard to find a scratch or ding in this thing. I'm not saying there isn't a single one, but boy, if it's in there, you're going to have to get a magnifying glass to find it. It's got the roof rack on top if you do any traveling, want a little bit more room. Over to the rest of the interior. Very clean. I'm going to show you the VIN number here as well. And it shows incomplete vehicle. It means this went directly from the factory to get converted. So it came incomplete, they converted it. So that's what incomplete vehicle means. Has a power seat here as well. Leather front seats. We just had this professionally detailed. There's no signs of any smoke, no signs of any damage on the seats. Everything works great. It also has a DVD player in the back. I showed that in the pictures. Current miles 26,000 and some change. This has the push button start, so all you got to do is have the key in the vehicle, push the brake, push there, and you're ready to go. That beeping you heard is the easy lock. You got to push a button to shut that off, and what that lets you know that the chair is not in the easy lock back there. So we can teach you all about that. It's got the backup camera like I mentioned. Very clean interior. And of course all the check engine light goes out. There's no check engine light, no airbag light, none of those on. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6. You can see it has a new battery, it has a 1019 in it, so very clean underneath here. The engine idle smooth, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. As I crawl underneath the vehicle, much of the same. Very clean, no signs of any abnormal rust. There's going to be a little bit of surface rust. Overall, extremely clean. And folks, I encourage you, no matter who you buy from, have them get out here and make a video like this. I can buy these vans for a dime a dozen up in New York, New Jersey, Chicago, and they'll be all rusted out, you know. Now, I don't have to show you the underneath here, but I do, because I show you, we're not like them. We're not all rusted out. We don't buy stuff with rusted out frame. We buy clean quality vehicles that are going to last, you know, if they're taken care of, we hope they're going to last our customers a long time. We're very picky in what we buy. We don't just buy anything. And, you know, make sure you're buying from a company like us with a good reputation that gets out and makes the video. We've been in business 8 years. You get to deal with the owner. That's me, Jeremiah. You know, if a company won't get out and make a video for you, you know, who you're buying from and what are they selling you. Don't be one of those people that got ripped off on the internet that buys a vehicle that's all rusted out and won't even pass inspection and you can't drive it. Don't be one of those people. Buy stuff from someone with a good reputation like us. And before I get the van on the highway, tested all the power mirrors, power locks, radio, heat, air. We've tested everything on this van. See the mirror over there. This is not some van that looks like a great price and you show up and half the things on it don't work and it's got a check engine light, all these issues. We put brand new tires on this thing. We've gone through it, we've inspected it. It's very clean. It's darn like a brand new van. So let's get it out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans on the highway so you can see that they are excuse me, that they're roadworthy. Whether you take advantage of our free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states or you come in and pick the van up and drive it home, I want you to see this van gets up to highway speeds and performs well. Got up to almost 70 there. I'm going to back it down a little bit, merge over here into traffic. What I'll do is set the cruise control. Cruise works great. You see the steering wheel is nice and straight. The van's it's not bouncing back and forth. So extremely nice van. And folks, I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. I want you to ask yourself, do the other people you're looking at, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? If you're buying from an individual, obviously they do not. Obviously they answer to nobody. We dealers, we answer to the state. We're required to provide a title. Buying from an individual is very risky. They answer to nobody. They can sell you anything they want, and there's no repercussion if they do you wrong. As far as buying from a dealer, ask them. Ask them if they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau like we do. And if they don't, be sure to ask them why. Ask them if they have 500 reviews on eBay. We have 500 positive reviews, 0 negative reviews. Folks, that's 500 people said we did them right. That's 0 people said we did them wrong. Do they get out and make a video? Do they crawl underneath the van when it's freezing temperatures out so you can see exactly what we're getting? Because obviously we do, because you're watching the video. And what I'm going to do is give the van a hard brake at the bottom of this exit. I know the light's green up here, but no one's behind me. Nice hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual vibration. Very clean van. Not brand new, but it's not far from it. I tell you what, it's got a whole bunch of goodies and add-ons to allow you to be independent. If you want to add hand controls to this, talk to us. We can get those put on as well. Of course, that will be an additional price. But when you combine our reputation, when you combine our prices, when you combine our videos, and also when you combine the fact that we don't have any hidden fees, there's no administrative fees, there's no document fees. We give you a free temporary tag. I don't do business like that. I don't tell people one price and then when I get them in the door, try and add money in on the back end. To me, that's a scandalous way to do things, and that is not how we do business here. So when you combine all those with the quality of this van, no one can beat our prices. No one can beat the deals we're offering. So if you ever want to come see one of our vehicles, please always call me first. I know your time is valuable. I don't want to miss you. Call and make an appointment with me. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I'm the owner. You deal with me. You don't have to deal with any salesman. Check us out 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. And as always, folks, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.